Hello, we are Team Wozniak. I am Harris, and with me are Rowan, Ian, and Jena, and today we will be talking about our app, Wozniak Scheduling for Restaurant Managers. Our app offers a multitude of functionalities that make keeping track of employees' information and creating a schedule easy. Now we will look at some features our app has to make employee scheduling easier. Our app does not require an internet connection. As a manager, you are able to manage both employee information and scheduling in one place. Descriptive warnings are displayed if a schedule or employee information is incomplete or incorrect. The app quickly enables changes to be validated and made to a schedule at any time. Exporting schedules as a PDF is easily done with one click of a button. Some additional features include automated validation of created schedule based on employee availability and training, and automated validation of entered employee information.
When you first open the app, you're presented with the current month's schedule, whether completed or not. From here, we can navigate through different months. We can also select a specific day to start scheduling, but we'll show you that in a moment. From here, we can also navigate to the employee management section of the app. This is where you can manage all employees, their information, and their availability. Now we'll show the creation of an employee. First, we'll enter a name, then give them an email address and a phone number. And select Save. As you can see, the information added here is checked prior to being allowed to save it. This app will check all the employee information fields for mistakes and will not allow you to save changes until these are fixed. We can now try again and press Save.
Now we'll look at changing or setting an employee's availability. We can change their availability however we want, and when we press save, these changes will be recorded. This will affect which employees will be presented as available during shift scheduling. We can also set specific days as unavailable using the exceptions. This will remove this employee from the list of available employees for this specific day only. Now we'll delete an employee. Generally, this isn't something a business will need to do, as there is an option to indefinitely disable employees without removing their history from the database. Now this employee is no longer in the database and will not show up as an option when scheduling a shift.
Now we'll return to the Schedule tab. Let's schedule a day. You can see every employee available to be scheduled for each shift for that day. Let's save this. As you can see, the day is not highlighted in pink anymore, which means the day is fully and correctly scheduled. If we go back and mark it as a busy day, we have the ability to add a third employee to each shift. And if we want to unmark it as a busy day, everything is then saved properly. We can also export any schedule to a PDF. This will place a PDF of the schedule in the devices folder. If the schedule is not valid, you'll be presented with a warning message, but you can still export the incomplete schedule. The PDF file is created based on the date and time. This is done so no overwrites are made.
Hopefully the video has persuaded you to use Wozniak Scheduling for your scheduling needs. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day.